Hey everybody, hope you're all doing well. Today we are going to be learning about the next subdivision of rhythm, 16th notes. So far we have seen whole notes, half notes, quarter notes, and eighth notes, and now we'll be adding 16th notes to the mix. Let's briefly start from the very beginning and pretend that we're in 4/4 or common time for the following exercises. If you think back, in 4/4 or common time, a whole note gets 4 beats, a half note gets 2 beats, a quarter note gets 1 beat, and an eighth note gets half a beat. As you can see, and as we have previously discussed, these note values get progressively smaller and smaller by exactly 1/2. 16th notes are no different, and they are half as long as an eighth note, meaning they get 1/4 of the beat. 16th notes are distinguished by their 2 flags for a single 16th note, or a double beam for groupings of 2 or more 16th notes. Now, that might sound a bit confusing just to hear it explained with words, so let's hear it played instead. I will play the following excerpt to show how all of these notes are related to each other.
So, did you catch how many 16th notes were played for each beat or click of the metronome? You can see here in the music sheet that for each one beat or single click of the metronome, there are 4 16th notes.
Now, let's talk about how we count these new notes. Keeping the 4 beats of a measure in mind, let's count each note value we've seen so far. For the whole notes and half notes, we will be counting out all of the beats, but keeping them connected while doing so, just like when we play. For quarter notes, we count each note for each beat as normal. For eighth notes, we count 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. And for 16th notes, we count 1 e enda, 2 e enda, 3 e enda, 4 e enda. Try it out for yourself, and remember, when you tap your foot or keep tempo with each rhythm we've played so far, your foot must go down with each beat. Alright, now let's hear that again, but this time, see if you can count, play, pat, or clap along with me. If you're playing your instrument, just stick with a concert F, or clarinet G, alto sax D, trumpet G, and French horn C. Okay, here we go. Great! So, now that we've done that, think. Are 16th notes faster or slower than eighth notes? If you said faster, you're absolutely right. In fact, they're exactly twice as fast, which of course we know since they take up half as much space as an eighth note. Be sure to repeat that exercise as many times as you need to get it exactly right, and always focus on great tone and precise rhythm when learning new skills like this. When you're ready, go ahead and move on to the next video for some rhythm studies.